So it says over here, this is the sign when we got there. And it says the highest wind ever observed by man was recorded here. From 1932 to 2000, to 1937, the Mount Washington Observatory was operated in the Summit Stage Office, then occupying this site in a great storm in April 12 with 231 miles an hour. So we were a little bit more than half of that. We were 100. We were facing 160 plus.
Yeah, we were we were.
And that's us getting blown away by the wind.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Yo, look at that!
I think I can. This is like, I was just
Literally.
Look at that, bro. Oh my gosh. And then the sign says Mount Washington Summit. It's like, you're here. You made it. Look it up there.
oh, that's the top.
That's the top.
That's literally the top.
There's the video of us literally making it there.